time. Albuquerque still dealing with the aftermath of a controversial police shooting here. Several hours from now, a judge is scheduled to decide whether Bernalillo County's DA will prosecute the 2 police officers charged in the shooting death of James Boyd. News 13's Catherine Azone is in the Newsplex with the details. Good morning, Catherine.
Good morning, Crystal. Now, last Monday, a district court judge postponed the decision as to whether DA Kerry Brandenburg would prosecute the 2 cops in last year's shooting death of James Boyd. DA Brandenburg decided to move forward with murder charges for officers Keith Sandy and Dominique Perez for the shooting death of the homeless camper in the foothills. Yet attorneys for Sandy and Perez want Brandenburg to give the case to a different DA. They say there's a conflict of interest, citing APD's investigation into Brandenburg for allegedly bribing burglary victims to keep them from pressing charges against her son. But Brandenburg says there's no conflict and says her office can fairly handle the case. A judge was set to decide last week if Brandenburg could prosecute the case, but raised questions about the officers' attorneys. At one point, one attorney represented both officers, but now they each have their own. The judge wants to make sure there's no objection to that before moving forward with the hearing. Back to you, Crystal.
All right, thanks for that information, Catherine. Now, again, today's hearing is set for 9 o'clock this morning. If it does happen, we will be there.